Here are some simple ways that you can identify the traffic light assessment colour of the cats in your care. Remember, this is subjective. You are allocating a colour to ensure the cats that need your help the most are prioritised and that no cat is ever overlooked. If you aren't quite sure whether a cat should be allocated a red or an amber colour, for example, choose red. If in doubt, choose the worst case scenario to ensure that every cat gets what they need or more, never less. You assess the colour based on observation of the cat in its pen or cage. You want to approach the pen as how the cat responds to your close proximity will show you how it is coping with having people around. You are going to be looking at several things: the response to your arrival, the cat's general behaviour, its posture, and what its eyes, ears and tail are doing. Let's start with what you might see if the cat needs your help straight away and is failing to cope with confinement. That is a red cat. The cat's response to your arrival: it will run and hide and not emerge while you are there, or the cat is hiding and doesn't come out. Behaviour: the cat may meow, but not in response to you talking. It may hiss, growl or yowl as you approach or enter the pen, or the cat may seem generally dull, as if it is sedated. Posture: if you can see the cat without disturbing its hiding place, you may notice it is tense and flattened, crouched or hunched with its limbs drawn in tightly. Eyes: the cat's pupils may be fully dilated and the eyes round and big rather than almond-shaped. They may be pressed tightly shut, or the cat may have a fixed gaze either downwards or looking towards you. Ears: the cat's ears may be rotated backwards, flattened downwards or backwards, so no longer visible. Tail: the cat's tail may be thrashing from side to side or thumping on the ground. It may be fluffed up and held away from the body or pressed tightly to the body. If you see any or a combination of these signs, then they probably indicate that the cat isn't coping at all. This could be the case because the cat has only just arrived with you and it needs time to settle. If it remains in this way after those first few days, then you need to consider strategies to relieve this cat's distress as a matter of urgency, or give priority to finding it an appropriate outcome so it can leave the centre as soon as possible. You need to reassess the situation daily to make sure that you are doing everything you can for this cat. How do you identify an amber cat? This is the cat that is coping slightly better than the red cat, but is uncomfortable to varying degrees and needs some assistance. Let's look first at the cat's response to your arrival. The cat moves its head or body away from you or walks away from you. It either doesn't approach you or alternates between approaching and avoiding you. It may sharply turn its head towards your face or hand. Behaviour: the cat may blink frequently or in an exaggerated way. Its skin may ripple or twitch. It may jump or startle if you move too quickly. The cat may freeze or go still when you try to interact with it. You may see brief head shaking, nose licking, or short bouts of grooming. Posture: the cat may be stiff or tensed, crouched or hunched with its limbs drawn in tightly. Eyes: the cat's pupils may be dilated and the eyes may be round rather than almond-shaped. Ears: the cat's ears may be rotated backwards or flattened downwards. Tail: the cat's tail may be thrashing from side to side or thumping on the ground or twitching at the tip, or it may be held close to the body. How do you identify a green cat? This is the cat that is generally completely at ease in the homing centre. Your role is to ensure they stay that way and still remain with you for the shortest possible time. Let's look first at the green cat's response to your arrival. The cat shows positive interest in you and may look towards you in a relaxed manner or choose to approach you. The cat may choose to be near you or move towards you if you move away. Behaviour: the cat rubs you with its cheeks, head or the side of its body. It purrs, dribbles and kneads either on or near you. It meows in response to you talking or may gently paw at you to gain your attention. Posture: the cat is relaxed with no obvious tension. It may be curled up or stretched out with tummy exposed and the limbs not pressed tightly against its body. Eyes: almond-shaped, no fixed stare and not blinking rapidly. Ears held upright, forward facing. Tail. If the cat approached you, its tail may be held vertically with a kink at the end. It may wave gently from side to side.